that you guys should just try to have, it depends on your situation. I just think that you guys should have like your 4 basic cards reporting minimum. Like just get those 4 cards. If you guys want additional cards, I would say wait about 6 months to a year. Let them old accounts start, reporting, and then you wait 6 months to a year and get another account. But if you get another account, remember you're messing up your age, which means your age is very important when it come down. Your average age of accounts is very important when it come down to your credit. So just understand that. Don't go too crazy. But if you want to get more accounts, wait about 6 months to a year. Let them start reporting. That you can apply for more. Now, I know a lot of people want to continue to apply for credit cards, but not only sometimes do I tell you guys to wait for your age, I want you guys to see when your credit score go up, because some people just think, oh, it's 6 months now, Rickita, I'm going to apply. You probably should apply 5 months ago. I mean, not 5 months ago, but a month ago at 5 months, because I want to see if you guys see like great jumps in your credit score. Say if you was at a 630 and your credit score went up to like a 680, 690, you may want to apply for credit cards at that point, especially if you started with secure credit cards. If you start with secure credit cards, you see your credit scores go up a lot, then I tell people, hey, you may want to try to see if you can apply for some other regular credit cards that you really wanted, because your credit limit is going to be based off of your income. So if you can get just a regular credit card, I mean like an unsecured credit card, then go ahead and go and try to get those unsecured credit cards when your credit scores go up. If your credit score did not go up as much as it needs to go up in that 6 months, then maybe you should just wait a year, let your credit score go up some more. But just really base it off your credit score and how much of a credit increase you had. Now, if you guys start off with those secure credit cards, I always tell you guys try to get your first 4 credit cards. If you guys start off with those secure credit cards, then always think that I have to change these cards out, especially if they don't graduate. I have to get some good cards and start targeting those good cards that you want to get. So say if you just got maybe some off brand like the credit builder card, secure card, then try to say, okay, I want to give me a Capital One card that don't have an annual fee. I want to give me a Discover card that doesn't have, they don't have annual fees. Start targeting the cards that you want, and then you can go in and try to see if you can pre-qualify for their credit cards. And say if you say, I want this card because of the points, then try to pre-qualify for that credit card. And if they deny you, try to increase your credit score. Try to figure out what's wrong that they didn't approve you, and then go back 3 months, 6 months to try to see if you can get approved. If you see your credit score go up, say if you got denied, you was at a 680, you got denied. When your credit score go up, you went to that 730, and that company denied you. I don't care if it was like a month ago. Go ahead and try to see if you can pre-qualify again for that credit card, because your credit score went up now. You have a greater chance of getting approved. But try to time it based off of your